Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Lee, and in this video tutorial you'll learn the basics of how to insert and format time in Excel. With this knowledge, you'll be ready to use your skills to complete more advanced operations with time values. First, it's important to understand that Excel works with and saves time data in a special way. That is why it is essential to set the right formatting for cells that are intended to contain time information. To begin, select the empty cells, then use the right click to access the Format Cells option. From the pop-up box, go to the Number tab and choose the Time category. In the Local drop-down list, you can pick a country-specific time format that best suits your needs. Let's select English for the United Kingdom. Next, select the most convenient time format for future operations. In this example, we will use the short AM/PM format. After clicking OK, you can now insert the hours worked. To display the values correctly, type in the number, insert a colon and add the minutes. For example, 7:00. If you'd like to log the time you finish work, such as 4:30 PM, you can type in 16:30. If you type in 4:30, it will need it to be followed by adding a space and PM. If you need to change the type of time format, follow the same steps we just did. Select the cells, right click and choose Format Cells. Pick the format type you need and click OK. You can now see a preview in the formula bar. You have now learned the basics of how to correctly insert and format time in Excel. To learn how to accurately calculate hours worked and avoid basic mistakes, watch this next video tutorial from Sheet Leveler. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from Sheet Leveler. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.